Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to talk about baseboard trim, how to get a nice tight fit in the corner. It involves this age-old carpenter's trick called coping, basically cutting the profile on the edge of the board so it fits like a puzzle piece on your other board. Let's get started. Two walls in a house are very rarely a perfect 90-degree angle. That's why this process was created, coping the end of a board to make the corner tight. First step, we're going to go to the miter saw. Set your miter saw at a 45-degree angle. Position the molding upright so the back is flat against the fence of your miter saw. Cut a 45-degree angle off the end of the baseboard. Then set your saw at 22.5 degrees. Next step, turn your molding upside down. We're going to make a cut along the edge of this 45-degree angle here. I like to draw a line on the bottom of the board so I know where to start my cut. Turn the molding upside down and cut straight down and stop at the curvy part of the profile. Next, I'm going to start cutting along the profile of the molding. See how the 45-degree angle created the perfect outline of the profile of the molding. We're going to do that using a coping saw. I like to make a few relief cuts so it's easier for the saw blade to turn. Then you'll carefully saw along the profile created by the miter cut. Angle the coping saw about 30 degrees to remove more wood from the back of the molding. Now I'm going to clean up the contour on the profile with a round file. You can use sandpaper, a flat file, and a small round file for the tight curves. Right now this is looking pretty good. Let's test the fit. Fits pretty good. The more of these you do, the better you get at it. For more trim tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.